YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Matt. We are back with another video. Before we go into today's video, I just want to thank everybody who's been liking, subscribing, sharing the content, following me with these challenges I've been doing. I truly appreciate all the support. Today, we have a long-awaited unboxing. 15 days in the waiting, folks. 15 days. Y'all probably already know what it is. Y'all probably seen multiple videos of this, but y'all gonna see my video now. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing with the scissors. Ooh, that hurt. And we're gonna see what we got here, man. We're gonna see what the hype is. As everybody probably already knew, you can look at the box. We've seen it multiple times. It's a pretty decent box, though. I can't even hold you. Box is fire. But y'all know what this is. The Maniere 4s. While you were sleeping. Box is crazy. Crazy. I wanted y'all to actually see how this unboxes, like how this opens. It's crazy. Boom, boom. Open it to the velvet. The velvet is crazy. Then you got the shoe. Let's pull this out and look at it, folks. Let's see what we got. So we're gonna get into the shoe. This is really clean, yo. The materials on this, so nice. I was not a fan of these at first, but seeing these in hand, yeah, these are tough. They come with a couple different laces. These are like white. Oh yeah, I thought they came with more laces. Let's see. Ah, they do. And the other shoe. These are like some cream colored. Dang, I'm all over the place. Cream color laces. See the Jordan logo on this tongue. The Maniere logo on this tongue. The quilted inside. Yeah, man, these are tough. Jesus, they did their thing with these. I was hating at first, but this a good shoe. So like I said, I know y'all pretty much seen these all day, probably for like the last week. Ordered these from their actual website, so it took a lot longer to come. Took 15 days. Never doing that again. But yeah, these are dope, yo. Damn. Let me know what y'all think below, man. Did y'all pick these up? Did y'all let them sit? Y'all gonna try to grab them on resale? What's up, man? Again, I appreciate all the support I've been getting, you guys. Please keep liking, subscribing, sharing the content. I truly appreciate it. To the next video.